Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is January 11th and we finally got some sunshine. It's pretty nice. So the neighbor's roof has got the sun on it and it's clear. It's actually pretty much dried out. It's got a little frost left on the corner. The back roof of our house is still pretty frosty, as you can see over there. The cabbages are under here and they've got some frost going on still, but they're clearing off pretty good. The broccoli is, part of the broccoli's underneath here, and cauliflower. So it's cleared off. I'm gonna pull these tarps back today, these freeze cloths, and we'll do that after a while. I'm going to let it warm up a little bit first. Then we'll come out and pull these off and see what we got going on. This one on the back fence, still pretty frosty, so not super heavy frost, but enough to kill stuff. So we'll let the sun hit that and get that warmed up a little bit before we pull it back and see what they look like. So we lucked out. Got a little ice here. So I need to dump the wheelbarrows out today. I just got some stuff I need to do out here that I haven't been able to do for the last few days. So, okay guys, so it's like 11 o'clock and we got a little bit of a breeze coming up, but we're getting some sunshine on this stuff. About half of the one behind me, and then these are in full sun. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the covers off and we'll see if we have survivors or not. So keep your fingers crossed. Over here on the north side, and this broccoli is looking pretty good, looking real good actually. Look at this. They've actually grown and increased in size with the cold weather. This one here is look how much that one's grown. So the broccoli on that side is done well. This broccoli over here is done well also, which is a plus. As you can see down in there, you can see that broccoli. We got more here. So they're all doing well. And then the cauliflower's kicking it. So that has grown a lot since, really grown a lot. This one here is, so I harvested 2 of these. So there should be one here. Yeah, it's inside here growing. Doing good. And then with that going on, the Brussels sprouts are doing really well. And the cabbage is doing good. These heads are starting to form on this cabbage. We'll tighten up, so that is nice. The other 2 that I have left, the other 3 that I have left over here of this kind are doing great. So very happy with the result. But if we come over here, on the west fence, and the chili piquin that didn't make it. That's okay. I think it will, I don't know if it killed it off or not. We'll find out when it starts warming just a little bit. If it didn't kill it, we'll trim it back a little bit. It'll do good. If it did, we'll get another one. It grew really well this year. The other peppers, the jalapenos, the bell peppers, this bell pepper's still got a little green in it, but I don't think it's worth saving, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull those out. They didn't make it. Okay. So I forgot to show you the kale a few minutes ago. It in the first part when we were looking at stuff, it came through really good. Looks good. Got a little bit of wiltage back there, but it'll be fine. It'll come right back. And over here, my catmint. That's a catmint bush thing plant. It does really good. Rosemary's doing good. Had some basil in there, but it didn't make it. And a couple little onions in there. And then, of course, the rogue grass you don't want does really well all the time. So overall, really happy. Really happy everything didn't croak. Okay guys, so that's it for this one. I appreciate you watching, taking the time to come and watch. hit the like button, subscribe. That'd be cool. Share, comment, do all those good things. That'd be great. Hey, take care. See ya.